it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with RajahWild and Jiggy, Dolly house. Let me just say this quickly. Jiggy, me give you flowers, bro. Yeah, put out whole heap of work, bro. Yeah, work, bro. Yeah, work. You see me? And you are making yourself a name to be reckoned with, bro. Yeah, put out work and your name have it up there as one of the young producers them we are show about the work them just like DJ Mac them. So big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself. RajahWild. Big up yourself. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. Today again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Big up yourself. Let's jump in on it and here with the G. Let me say, let's go. Let's go. Jiggy!
Bumbo clot, no, we girl and Dolly out.
Clot. Alright. So, we don't see the boss in nothing black. That's the first thing I noticed. Him not wearing nothing black. Normally, him in a black. Boss, fully colored out. You see me? With the Dolly them. So this is jar rhythm. Okay. Bumbo clot.
No, we girl and Dolly out. Big start on the black in our Dolly house. We are clot.
Jig start on the black in our Dolly house. Jig start put out the work.
Clot, no, we girl and Dolly out. Big start on the black in our Dolly house. We are clot to pick it and rap it out. So me a boy, me not care about your body count.
We are clot to pick it and rap it, yo. So me as a boy, me not care about your body count. So him a say, Mama, once you look good, him not care about your body count. Him not watch that, him does a cut and go choke. But more and go back to that tick as I see I walk across it. Mama, how you think so? Eh? How you think so?
Bumbo clot, no, we girl and Dolly out. Big start on the black in our Dolly house. We are clot to pick it and rap it out. So me a boy, me not care about your body count. You know see to the girl and Dolly down. Father, just bring Molly come. Girl pan the ground, pan the roof, pan the patio. Oh.
Man said the girl them Dolly down. Father, just bring Molly come. That's all. Liquor did everything already. Girl did everything already. Just bring Molly come.
Down. Father, just bring Molly come. Girl pan the ground, pan the roof, pan the patio. Oh, you for born, I'm a bitch, be stopping up. I live a life like champagne, strip club, high price. I'm for busting on your face like pipe. Girl, some cocky, me love you in fine eye.
Man said me fi busting in your face like pie.
I live a life like champagne, strip club, high price. I'm for busting on your face like pipe. Girl, some cocky, me love you in fine eye. I live a life like city apartment, babes, sketchy skyline. And you for know me, I'm poor when I care, me no business. Who you fuck tonight or my night? Battle.
Yeah, me not care who you fuck before. Me not care about your body coming down to that already, mama. Tonight I'm my night. You're there with me, so what? I'm my night. Yeah, me not care about your past. No, sir, the one we have a past. Yeah, some better than some. Me not care. How am I to judge? No.
You for know me, I'm poor when I care, me no business. Who you fuck tonight or my night? Battle, pop, tequila shots. If she slip, she slide, come in at that. Yeah, lime with.
If she slip, she slide, come in at that. Blood clot. Video clean.
Tequila shots. If she slip, she slide, come in at that. Yeah, lime with God's for real, baby. I'm the dream. Just ask your reader, man.
Yeah, lime with God. Yeah, chill with God. Baby, I'm the dream. If you think I like, ask your reader, man. Ask your Ober, man.
Bottle, pop, tequila shots. If she slip, she slide, come in at that. Yeah, lime with God's for real, baby. I'm the dream. Just ask your reader, man. No, ask me who she need her from. If you know I'm a baby, she's a fan. You can't just want fuck down your place, put price by your pussy, gal. Your mother teach you wrong.
Sometimes them mother teach them, you know. Him say, furthermore, him say you can't just fuck down the place. Put price by your pussy. The mother teach you wrong. Sometimes one of the mother teach them. Sometimes them have some chicken head friends same way where teach them same way. Some chicken head friend with them look up to. We teach them. You know what? Them one there? Yeah. Sometimes mommy a good church lady. We try to teach the daughter good. But you know the daughter start licking with some little I know what go on already. You see me? Fuck we go on.
Man, now ask me who she need her from. If you know I'm a baby, she's a fan. You can't just want fuck down your place, put price by your pussy, gal. Your mother teach you wrong. She a bring down every pirate as a dark cute right now. My eye fight.
She a bring down heaven pan earth as a dark youth right now, man. Higher for man. Higher than them.
She a bring down every pan earth as a dark youth right now. My eye fight. Higher than them. She a bring down every pan earth as a dark youth right now. My eye fight. Like champion, strip club, high price.
We see iWater a link with a lot of artists now. Obviously, we see him link with publicly me attack. Obviously, the artists them link privately, but publicly speaking, we see him in a Diddy video with you on the street vibes with him. Now we know that video with Raja. Big up yourself, iWater.
She a bring down every part. That's a dark youth right now. My fight. Like champion, strip club, high price. I'm up for busting on your face like pipe. Girl, some cocky me love when you in fine eye. I live a life like city apartment, babes sketchy skyline. And you for know me, I'm poor when I care, me no business. Who you fuck tonight or my night? Bumbo clock, now we girl and Dolly out. Big start on the black in our Dolly house. We are clad to pick it and rapid house. And me a boy, me no care about your body count. You no see to the girl and Dolly down. Father, just bring Molly come. Girl, pan the ground, pan the roof, pan the patio. Oh, you for born, I'm a bitch, be stuck in her.
I was quiet there for the last half because a lot is going through my head. Ropey, big up on yourself. Big up, Ruption. Big up, RajahWild. Big up, RajahWild. Yeah, show your versatilities, bro. And yeah, put out all type of different tunes. And the people them gravitate to you, bro. So continue on that same path. Me love how the artists them a link. Me love how the artists them a link also. Like me mentioned earlier, and we see iWater in other people's video. We see Najee in other people's video. We see all of them circle each other more time and give them a strength and them video and them thing this. So big up on yourself for that. Jiggy, yeah, put out work, bro, and your work a show, bro. It a show. You see me? Your work a show. The ladies them in the video, they on the clean. Big up on yourself, ladies. Big up with Dolly them. Remember Dolly house, you know. So Dolly never have to come out, no hand no pop off, no foot no pop off. You see me? All here done up, all here did up. You see me? Yeah. RajahWild, more ask you something though. The bag that way I wear, which way you buy it from? More one of them. Yeah, the black skull bag something. Yeah, more one of them. Which way you buy it from? Just if somebody know which part it forward from, just drop a link in the just drop a comment in the comment section and let me know which part of the bag they forward from. Cause I need one of them bag there. Bag the bad. Yeah, bad bag. I think England buy it from still. I'm not sure because I see him with it when him forward at England. So I'm not sure. But let me know. You see me? But yeah. Big up on the live still. So I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy that one, you want to see more RajahWild reactions. click on any one of them video where you'll see a circle past the screen. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.